Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. If you don't know who I am, my name's Elliot, and this is Everything Elliot. And if you haven't been here before, then you probably don't know what this is. Well, this is a 7-foot wide snowblower. Now, I've used this once already, and it works great. I don't know what brand or model it is because I can't find a tag on it. And it's attached to my Kubota L4701, which seems to handle it just fine. The only problem with this snowblower is we need to button things up. Now, if you have seen previous videos, you know that my chute rotation and my chute angle don't work because I didn't have the proper hydraulic fittings for the chute rotation, and I needed a hydraulic cylinder for the chute angle. We're gonna fix that problem today. We're gonna get this thing buttoned up and should be ready to go 100% in service. First things first, we just need to get rid of this electric cylinder. I didn't think I tightened the bolt down that much. I guess I need to go get some wrenches. So if you're gonna go and do a project like this, you need to measure the throw of the blower, which I did. And it did take me a little while to find a cylinder that was going to work, but I eventually ended up finding one, and it actually looks like it has a little adjustability as well. Looks like it's threaded. That should be maximum, which you can see is pretty much perfect. And obviously I don't have it hooked up, so we can't see how far it goes down right now. Now I know we're gonna jump here, but I think the next thing we need to solve is this hydraulic hanger. That is just not going to do. I'll be real honest with you, I don't really know what I'm doing with torches. I'm dangerous enough to heat things up. I got a brand new set of gauges. I didn't set them up yet, which is my fault. Probably should do that quick. So I'm just trying to make that loop right now that the bolt can go through. Well, something didn't like that. Still in one piece though. There, the bolt can run through that. Now we'll bend this at a 90. That'll work. Yeah, I don't know what I'm doing with torches. So if you guys have any idea what I'm doing wrong with torches, leave a comment below, because I got my gauges set at 5 psi of oxygen and 25 psi of acetylene, and it doesn't seem to be working. So I don't know what's wrong with it. We got to now bend this straight up, And then put a loop at the top and we'll be done with this. Probably should have just did that from the start, huh? Bend it cold. So hopefully you guys get an idea of what I'm building here. It's just gonna have a little, the circles are for shock absorbing, you know, so it can bounce around without issue. Like that. All right, I'm gonna clean this up real quick. We'll get it back on the tractor. Well, it is a little crooked because I did it by hand, but it actually works out perfect. If I mount it this way, it lines up perfectly, perfectly straight. So we'll just run it that way. There you go. That's a little more stout, and since I put those little circles in there, it's got some vibration dampeners or whatever. Better than that flimsy thing that was on here that just flopped around. So the hoses that came with this unit aren't long enough to go through this loop and reach the hydraulic, so I might order longer hoses, but for now, we're gonna run these, see how it works, and maybe that's a project down the road. I'm gonna catch a lot of hate in the comments for using pipe dope on hydraulic fittings, guaranteed. Just gotta be careful with it. And this is oil rated, so hate away. This is another reason why to get the correct pipe, because I had to buy an adapter, which is not ideal. All right, that should be tight enough. Yeah, I think I'm gonna buy the right hoses. This is definitely not ideal. All right, that's tight enough. I guess we can fire it up and see if the chute works. Wow, and that'll throw it almost forward. I don't know if you guys can tell how far it is forward. It'll almost throw it next to the tractor. I think I'm gonna have to flip that around so the hoses are coming out that way, not out this way. All right, so now with the lines at least coming out there, they'll be able to get over there somewhere. That's good. Both my torch and my heat gun are in the house. This is just some electrical shrink wrap. I'm gonna put this on there just to protect the hose kind of thing. All right, so with everything hooked up, everything should work now. I'm interested to see what happens with these hoses when the chute rotates, so I'm gonna keep an eye on that. I don't love it, but I think if I zip tie the hoses here, I think they'll just do their thing. All right, let's see what happens now. Yeah, I don't love that at all. I don't have a better solution currently, though. I don't know. I don't have a solution for this right now. I don't know. Wish I did, but I don't. If they came off the back, it wouldn't be an issue, but they don't. So I need your help. Leave a comment what I should do about this. Obviously I have enough hose to make the whole spin, but I don't know. Leave a comment. If you've done this before, or you know what I should do if you're a hydraulics guy, tell me what to do. Either way, there's two things we need to left. There's two things that we need to grease. I need to grease this swivel tray here and that one pin that was frozen over there. Or yeah, I guess greaser, pin, same thing. This is called a needle greaser, and this is exactly perfect for what we're doing here. I can get it in between this small hole here and whatnot. All right, so that's it. I got the chute rotating, I got the chute angle working. Don't love the hydraulic lines. Yeah, I need your help. So if you know what I should do with this, leave a comment. I don't love it. I mean, it's certainly functional, but I don't love it. I don't know how long. I don't know how long it'll last. You want to see what we're doing next? That's an implement wheel. Designed for a finish mower, I believe. Yeah, it's an implement wheel. This happens to be an implement. We're going to get rid of those skid shoes and put these on here. This will roll right over my gravel, and we won't have to worry about the skids digging my gravel up anymore. It'll roll right over it now. But you got to be subscribed for that, because that's not today. That's a different day. All right, well, if you've made it this far, as I promised in the last video, we're doing a 10,000 subscriber giveaway, all right? That will include one sweatshirt, one t-shirt, one long sleeve shirt, and if you live in a warm climate and you just want 3 t-shirts because you're like, hey, it never gets cold enough for me to, you know, wear a long sleeve or a hoodie, or if you just want 2 short sleeves, whatever combination, you can get 3 items. This is only going to be open to the continental United States, and how you enter is pretty simple. You have to be subscribed, so you have to subscribe to the channel. If you aren't subscribed, just hit the button right down below the video. You have to like this video, and then you have to leave a comment on this video. Leave a comment, like, subscribe, Continental 48 the continental United States, the 48 states. Alaska, Hawaii, Europe, you're out, sorry. I don't know, maybe next time. All right, so that's it. The snowblower is fully functional. Again, don't love the hydraulic line situation we have going on here, but I'm gonna rely on you guys for that one. Leave me some ideas down below. I need something. So, what else? I gave you the sneak peek of what we're gonna be doing next to this unit, but that's a fabrication video. This was just kind of a buttoning up video. Might add the 6-foot line here to get a 3/8 end and get away from that brass reducer that I had to put on there. I don't love that. And then that would give me enough room to bring these lines up into here as well. Capture all the lines, make sure they're out of harm's way. But for now, this will work. If we get another snowstorm, I think they're calling for snow this week, but I don't think it's going to be much. I think it's just going to be 2-3 inches. So I'm not super concerned about it. Don't forget about the giveaway. I gave you the rules. If you missed the rules, rewind a little bit. And have a great day. I got nothing else. Subscribe, like, all that jazz. Catch you guys on the next one. I'm Elliot. Thanks for watching Everything Elliot.